Hi, I'm Autumn with Smart Parts Washable Reusable Cabin Air Filter, and this is how you simply install your new filter. First, open your glove compartment. Squeeze the inner corners to release all the way. Reach in and remove the access door to your cabin air filter. Remove your traditional cotton cabin air filter and replace with our Smart Parts Washable Reusable Cabin Air Filter. Here you can see a quick comparison. Squeeze to install your new filter. Replace your access door. Squeeze the inner corners of your glove box and then close your glove compartment. And just like that, you're done. Be sure to let your service technician know that you have a Smart Parts Washable Reusable Cabin Air Filter.